Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL U5 HD, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, so let's do that, and now we have to scroll down in order to find apps. Let's enter it, and now we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got only two options, and at the very bottom of this list we've got reset up preferences, so simply tap on it. Now your device is telling you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. So you won't lose any app data, so if you're ready, just tap on reset apps, and actually that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your ALCATEL U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.